Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Bella's Beauty. So today I'm going to be doing my sister friend, Devon Finley. Make sure you guys check her out on YouTube. I'm going to be doing her makeup today. So I wanted to make this kind of like a talk through tutorial because I felt like my last one wasn't very detailed. So here we go. Right now I'm just very tediously doing her eyebrows. Brows to me are really important. I feel that they shape the face, they just give you your expression, and if your brows are looking crazy, then your makeup is just, the rest of your face is going to look crazy. So I'm taking this ColourPop brow pencil in the color black and brown, and I'm just kind of going through and filling in her eyebrows. I'm taking color number 15 from the Juvia's Place skin collection, or the I Am Magic skin. This is her concealer, and I'm just taking that in very carefully, just cleaning up her brows on the bottom. I zoomed in so you guys can kind of see like exactly what I'm doing. I'm doing her brows just like I do my brows, so if you guys have been following me on my channel, you guys already know what the deal is with the eyebrows. Now I'm taking that same black and brown eye pencil, and I'm really going to be doing her brows for a long time because they have to be perfect. So I'm kind of like taking little small strokes and kind of just like flicking in an upward motion, and then taking the brush, the spoolie, and kind of just brushing everything out. This right here is a little baby size beauty blender. It's actually a Real Technique sponge. I got it from Marshall's, I think, in a 6-pack or something. And make sure you damp that, and I'm just kind of using that to blend all of her concealer out. This is the it's LoReal Infallible foundation in the color 500, and I'm using this color because it's a little bit more like her skin complexion, and I'm just shaping the outside of the brow with the foundation so that we don't have halo brows, okay? And right here you can kind of see her brows are a little bit uneven. Later on in the video I did go in and see, we're doing it right now. I'm just going in and kind of shortening her left brow just to make sure they're both on the same like level, you know what I mean? Like you don't want one brow super high. So now I'm taking my little feather-like strokes again, and I'm just going in and brushing all the product through her eyebrows. Back again with that little sponge. I'm just blending all of that concealer out, and we're going to use this as our eyelid primer so that all of our colors pop. So now I'm going into my Sephora Pro palette. I am taking this orangey brown looking color, and I'm just going to buff that into the eye. I'm buffing this all the way into the crease because we are doing a cut crease today. Well, half cut crease. So I'm going to use that color on most of the lid, avoiding the center of the eye. Now I'm going in with my Nubian palette. I'm taking that really dark purple color, and I'm just creating like a shadow for the outer corner of the eye, just giving the eye a little bit of shape. Now I'm taking the black out of the Sephora Pro palette, and I'm just buffing that color around the edges to give the eye some smoke. Now I'm taking that same concealer, color number 15, and this is just a BH Cosmetics brush. I'm cutting out her crease. I'm going a little bit over her natural lid fold because when she opens her eyes, we do want to see that color difference. I'm taking that first shade that we used on the eye, and this is just an Anastasia brush, and I'm just buffing out those edges so everything is soft and smooth and we don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm taking this really pretty like off-white color, and I'm using the flat tip of the Anastasia dual-sided brush, and I am just patting that white color all in the negative space. Now I'm going to take this like auburn looking color, and I'm going to use that as my transition into the dark shade. So I'm just going to keep applying that and then blending it out, applying it and then blending it out. This is how you get kind of that smooth transition. You just have to keep mixing the colors together.
Take shape, but I wanna see the stars burn after I had my turn. You're working so hard. You played your card.
Alright, so now I'm going in with my glitter. This is a white gold glitter from LoReal. I don't remember how much this cost, but you guys already know what time it is. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you. I'm going right on top of that with some electric loose glitter from Anastasia. Now I'm just going to take my Sephora Collection Precision brush tip liner and I'm going to make her a really cute, dainty line. I'm not doing a wing because we're already doing a smoke, and yeah, it was really pretty without the wing, so I just decided to give her a little flick on the end versus like doing a full wing. So now I'm going in with just a little bit of extra glitter, and I'm using some mascara. This one is from Milk Cosmetics. I'm just giving her a little mascara. So the next step is going to be to measure the eyelashes, and I'm just holding those right up to the eyelash line. So now I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Fantasy Dewdrops, and these are the rose gold ones. I can't talk. I'm applying this all over the face and the body because I want it to be just really glowy, really dewy. So yeah, I do this to myself. So I figured like, hey, it's summertime, like let's do it. For foundation, we're using the same foundation we used outside of her eyebrows. It is the L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the color 500. This foundation, by the way, is like light to medium coverage. I would say, yeah, like light to medium. Same concealer we use on the eyebrows, Juvia's Place, I Am Magic, number 15, and I'm using a beauty blender to just blend that out. This is a photo stick, I think, from Wet n Wild. It is in the color maroon, and or yeah, I think whatever. It's brown. Anyways, so I'm using this to contour her face. Now I'm taking the Juvia's Place setting powder and I'm just setting underneath her eyes. Right now I'm going in with the Zulu palette and I'm kind of mixing the orange and the brown color in this palette to give her kind of like an ombre effect underneath the eye. I'm going to follow that up with some brown waterproof gel eyeliner to complete the eye look. I'm just taking a very fluffy BH Cosmetics brush and I'm going to use that to blend out her contour. I like using brushes to blend out creams because I feel like it just blends it a lot better than a sponge would. If you guys have any opinions on that, just let me know in the comments below. Right now, I'm just using a clear brow gel to set her eyebrows. Now I'm going in with the TigerLily blush from Becca Cosmetics. I thought this would be a really blush against her skin with this makeup look. Now really quickly, I'm going to do the other side. I just talked through the entire right side, so I'm just going to let you guys see how I do the left. Okay, so now I'm setting her with some NYX setting spray. For highlight today, I'm using Gold Deposit. I'm also using Global Glow. They're both from MAC Cosmetics. So last but not least, I'm using the Black Radiance Contour Kit in light to medium, and I am contouring this nose honey because we got to be snatched. So I'm also taking this Sephora Collection Microsmooth powder to just smooth out all the lines and wrinkles that may or may not be present. The last step, of course, is to do the lips. So I like to start with a little chapstick, a little lip balm. I'm using this NYX brown liner to kind of define the lips. We're going to do a nude today, so I need to kind of know where her lips start and stop. The lipstick I chose is Yours to Try. It is from the Marc Beauty collection from Marc Jacobs. It is a liquid lipstick, and it's kind of like a peachy nude. I thought it would be really, really pretty, so it wouldn't be in contest or, you know, competing with the eye look because it's so glamorous. Next, I'm going to take another like brown liquid lip. This one's from Karity. It's called In the 212, and I'm just lining the outer corners of her mouth to give her like a little pout. Last but not least, I'm using a clear gloss. This one is Gloss Angeles from Smashbox Cosmetics. I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. We'll set her down with a little bit of setting spray, and that's about it. You think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's just if you hold me, so baby do it right, do me right. I know you think that you. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching this week's makeup tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions, opinions, whatever. Yeah, we're just here for you. Stay tuned for Tuesday's video.